Hey guys, not all social media is negative. Check this out. I got a new band. So I went with the suggestion, our last video on the beat up rash, right? It is a rash, like you can see it. Let me take off the Apple Watch and see if I can get this thing to come in view. Everybody was so cool. See that right there? Everybody, let's see if I can get it in view. It's starting to heal up pretty good, but everybody was super cool. Like, man, what a great community. Thank you for being here. Well, what I did is I ended up getting a new band, right? So I went with the cloth instead of the silicone, even though I think this looks really super cool. Again, focus there. But I went with this band because everybody suggested it. The other thing that I'm doing, and I need to make sure that everybody gets this, is, you know, I wear the Whoop, right? So I have a Whoop device, and I rarely take this off. I shower, I clean it up underneath, and I've never had anything like this happen before, right? So, and I wear the Apple Watch all the time, but I charge the Apple Watch every night. So I decided to try to wear this because, you know, the battery life's great. I got 14 days, I just charged it. And everybody gave me great advice. They said, okay, a couple things. If you're having some problems, make sure you wash this after every exercise. Go to a more of a cloth band, which this is the Garmin one. I actually spent 40 bucks on this thing. And then, you know, make sure you're keeping it really clean, and then you can wear it more. And so I'm actually wearing it on the other arm right now for my training, why that heals. But I am doing that, and one thing I'm doing is I charge it, clean it and charge it every day in the shower. So here's just like a video. I bought one of those clip-on things, and so when I take, you know, after I get done training almost every day, then I put this on the charger. I clean it off with some antibacterial stuff, and then I you know, let it dry, put it back on. And pretty much, you know, a lot of people are comparing it to the Apple Watch, and I'm saying, well, maybe I'll get rid of the Apple Watch. But the truth is, what I've been doing is, why this is charging, I throw on the Apple Watch when I'm in the office. And I work from home, by the way. So I'm at home, and so I'm just, you know, working here. So it works out real well. And so I just go ahead and throw on the Apple Watch, right? So what I've done, thanks to everybody here, just an update, is I went to the cloth band, got rid of the silicone. I'm charging it as soon as I get done. Typically, I work out in the mornings in the gym. I've got a whole gym downstairs. I'll show you a video with a cold dip and everything. It's pretty cool. And then I'm, you know, now going to the cloth thing. So it seems like it's working out real well, and I'm real excited about now, you know, figuring out what happened with the Garmin. And that almost healed up. It was like just a rash that happened because somebody said the nickel on the back. And again, I've never had that experience with any product, whether it was a Whoop or the Apple Watch or anything. So it was a little different. So I appreciate everybody in the Garmin community. I am going to do a full review against the Whoop, against the Aura, kind of what kind of the data I'm getting. Today it kind of was weird. The Garmin said I wasn't ready to work out, I need a rest day, and my Whoop said I was ready to go. And that was kind of unusual, but we're going to get all that data together for those of you that like that stuff. And I just wanted to make a quick video and tell you, I really appreciate you, because we got 96 comments of people that were like, do this, do this, do this. It was just awesome. So the internet is not always a bad place. I will keep you updated next week on this as I wear it for the next week, but I have kind of got a system. I work out downstairs or go into the gym, or, you know, go for my run, you know, get my mileage in, and then come back, clean it all up really good, put it on the charger, let it dry really good, and then I jump in the sauna, in the ice bath, which typically I'm constantly wearing the Whoop, and you know, then I just kind of do my thing, and then afterwards I throw on the Apple Watch for a little while, and then I'll go grab this after it dries off and it's good to go, and I don't think I'm going to have any problems with it. But if you got any questions for me about this device, it is big. I mean, it's heavy, but it weighs about the same as the Apple Watch. If you have anything for me, let me know. It does fit snugger with this Garmin band, the nylon band. I do like it, and I do like the fit a little bit better. I think I'm going to love it running. But any questions you have, just let me know. That's what this channel is about. Obviously, we typically do e-ink, but we're doing some new things. And I appreciate the Garmin community and the running community, all the support that you're giving the channel. So thank you. If you like what we're doing, thumbs up. I'm just a regular guy doing regular things and putting great energy out there. And until the next video, hey, thanks for watching this one. And for everybody that responded to my last video, thank you. I appreciate you. And I say that from the bottom of my heart. The internet is not always a bad place. There's a lot of really good people out there. So thank you. Go have a great one. We'll see you in the next video.